Hi dear friends! Today I am testing a method of cleaning kitchen garbage disposal that I found on the internet. This method won because of its simplicity and accessibility of cleaning ingredients.
If you want to clean your kitchen garbage disposal, prepare next ingredients. Sea or rock salt, whichever you find in local store. Several ice cubes and a few lemon wedges. Cut off half of lemon for it. After you prepare everything okay, fill your garbage disposal up with ice cubes. Just put them inside of your garbage disposal. Then place there lemon wedges and finish with sprinkling the salt. After you filled up your garbage disposal with ingredients, turn on both cold water and your garbage disposal until the products are completely gone. Let them clean well your disposal inside. Salt scrubs the blades, while ice helps knock off any gunk and grime. The lemon helps to deodorize and create a fresh-smelling scent. My disposal has now flavorous smell. Finally, take wet with soapy water paper towel and thoroughly wipe down rubber in your garbage disposal to remove gunk from it, which may still sit there.